WhatsApp groups will no longer be the same. WhatsApp has just introduced a new Add Member Tag feature that allows group members to add a personalized name or role next to their name, so everyone can easily see who is who in the group. First, open the WhatsApp app and enter the group where you want to set your member tag. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen and scroll down to the list of group members. Make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version because the Add Member Tag feature is only available in newer updates. Under your profile, you will see the Add Member Tag option. Tap on your profile and enter the tag you want to use. This can be your name, a nickname, a role, or any short description you prefer. You can immediately see how the tag will look in the preview section. When you're satisfied, tap the Save button to apply the change, and that's it. Now I'll send a message in the group to show you how this tag appears to other group members. From now on, the tag you set will be displayed under your name in the group. Other group members can set their own member tags as well. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more digital updates. See you soon, digital friends.